A Bangladeshi Islamist party leader was sentenced to death on Thursday over abuses carried out during the country's independence war, triggering celebrations as well as deadly riots that killed at least 30 people. Dilwar Hussain Saidi, vice president of the Jamaat-e-Islami party, was found guilty by Bangladesh's War Crimes Tribunal of mass killing, rape, arson, looting and forcing minority Hindus to convert to Islam during the 1971 War of Separation from Pakistan, lawyers and tribunal officials said. After he was convicted and sentenced, police clashed with activists from Saidi's party and violence raged in more than a dozen areas around the country. At least 3 policemen were among the dead and around 300 were wounded. Protesters who said the verdict was politically motivated set fire to a Hindu temple and several houses in southern Noakhali region. In the southeastern region of Cox's Bazar, they attacked a police camp, killing 1. In the capital, authorities deployed extra police and members of a rapid response force and put paramilitary soldiers on standby. Meanwhile, thousands of people in the capital's Shahbag Square who support the tribunal and have been protesting for weeks to demand the highest penalty for war criminals burst into cheers as a sentence was announced.
আজকে অত্যন্ত ভালো লাগছে যে সাইদের মতো একজন কুলাঙ্গারের আজকে ফাঁসির রায় কার্যকর হয়েছে। এই দেশের এই জাতি কলঙ্ক মুক্ত হতে যাচ্ছে। আজকে জাতি থেকে কলঙ্ক মুক্ত হবে, আমাদের বাংলাদেশ কলঙ্ক মুক্ত হবে। আমি যে মুক্তিযুদ্ধের সঙ্গে সহযোগিতা করেছিলাম, আমার জীবন আমি আজকে সার্থক মনে করছি, ধন্য মনে করছি। যদি এই রাজাকার মুক্ত দেশ আমরা পাই, এটা দেখে যেতে পারি, এর চেয়ে বেশি আনন্দের বিষয় আমার কাছে আর কিছু নাই।